Okay, listen to me. And this is the example speech. Hello, everybody. My name is Lian. I am 100 years old. Today, I'm going to talk about two animals. This is a tiger. This is a very big cat. It has got orange and black stripes. It can swim, climb trees, jump, and run very fast. It can't cook and read. It likes meat. I can see it at the zoo, on TV, and in the jungle. This is a parrot. This is a bird. It's blue, green, red, and yellow. It can fly, sing, and talk. But it can't read and write. It likes fruit and nuts. It can be a pet in a house. Thanks for your watching. Goodbye and see you next time.